Who was elected as the 15th Vice President of India in September 2025? Right answer is option B, C.P. Radhakrishnan, who has been recently appointed as the new chairman of UPSC. Right answer is option C, Ajay Kumar, who is set to become the 53rd Chief Justice of India. Right answer is option C, Justice Suryakant, who won the 2025 Booker Prize for his novel Flash. Right answer is option B, David Saleh. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index released in October 2025? Right answer is option D, 85th rank. Which state has been declared India's first fully digitally literate state? Right answer is option B, Kerala, who has been appointed as a Secretary of Research and Analysis Wing RA. Right answer is option A, Parag Jain. Where has India's first butterfly sanctuary been established? Right answer is option A, Aralam, Kerala. Which state has topped the medal tally at the first edition of Khelo India Water Sports 2025? Right answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh, who has become the Chief Minister of Bihar for the 10th time in 2025. Right answer is option B, Nitish Kumar, who has been appointed as the Controller General of Accounts in 2025. Right answer is option C, TCA Kalyani, who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025. Right answer is option A, Opal Suchata Chuangsri, who has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize 2025. Right answer is option C, Maria Corina Macedo. Which Indian state will host the Fight Chess World Cup 2025? Right answer is option A, Goa. Which of the following has become the first Indian organization to win 2025 Ramon Magsaysay Award? Right answer is option B, Foundation to Educate Girls. What is India's rank in the 2025 Global Hunger Index? Right answer is option C, 102nd rank. Who has been appointed as the new governor of the RBI, Reserve Bank of India? Right answer is option B, Sanjay Malhotra. Gogabil Lake, which was recently designated as 94th Ramsar Site of India, is located in which state? Right answer is option A, Bihar. Who has been awarded the 2025 Pritzker Architecture Prize? Right answer is option B, Liu Xiaokun of China, who has become the 11th member of ASEAN in October 2025. Right answer is option C, Timor-Leste. Where was the ninth edition of 2025 Global Technology Summit held? Right answer is option D, New Delhi, who has been appointed as a Space Secretary and the Chairman of ISRO. Right answer is option C, V. Narayanan, MS Swaminathan Award for Food and Peace 2025 was given to Ademola Adenle. He belongs to which country? Right answer is option B, Nigeria. Which country hosted the SEO Summit 2025? Right answer is option C, China. Who has been recently awarded the Pen Pinter Prize 2025? Right answer is option B, Lila Abolela. Who has been honored with the United Nations Mandela Award 2025? Right answer is option D, both B and C, Brenda Reynolds and Kennedy Odede. Who took charge as the new Chief Election Commissioner of India on February 2025? Right answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar. Who has won the both men's and women's titles in Kabaddi at the Asian Youth Games 2025? Right answer is option B, India. Who has been elected as the President of the 18th session of the United Nations General Assembly? Right answer is option A, Annalena Baerbock. Who won the Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award 2025? Right answer is option D, Inquis. What is the rank of India in the 2025 Human Development Index released by UNDP? Right answer is option C, 130th rank. Who has topped the medal tally of 38th National Games 2025? Right answer is option A, SSCB, Services Sports Control Board. Who won the 13th edition of the ICC Women's World Cup 2025? Right answer is option B, India. Where has ISRO launched the Himalayan Outpost for Planetary Exploration Mission for Gaganyaan? Right answer is option D, Ladakh. Where has India's first Make in India green hydrogen plant been set up? Right answer is option C, Gujarat. Who has been recently appointed as the first woman and African president of the International Olympic Committee? Right answer is option A, Kirsty Coventry. Who has been appointed as the president-elect of the FICCI for 2025 to 26? Right answer is option A, Anant Goenka. Which city has been officially declared as the leopard capital recently? Right answer is option D, Bengaluru. Which Indian has been awarded the 2025 UNEP Young Champions of the Earth Award? Right answer is option D, Zinali Modi. Sani Takaichi has been appointed as the first female Prime Minister of which country? Right answer is option C, Japan. Who has been appointed as a Director General of Sashastra Seema Bal SSB? Right answer is option B, Sanjay Singhal. Urjit Patel has been appointed as the Executive Director at which institution? Right answer is option D, International Monetary Fund. Who was honored with the CK Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? Right answer is option C, Sachin Tendulkar. In which state will India's first AI-based data park be built? Right answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. Which newspaper was awarded 2025 UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize? Right answer is option B, La Prensa. Who has been appointed as the first woman law secretary in March 2025? Right answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana. Who has been appointed as a chairman of SEBI in February 2025? Right answer is option D, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Who has been selected as the torch bearer of the 2026 Winter Olympics? Right answer is option C, Abhinav Bindra. Where was the COP15 conference of the Ramsar Convention held? Right answer is option C, Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. Who has been re-elected as the president of the New Development Bank? Right answer is option D, Dilma Rousseff. Tiger Trim is a bilateral military exercise conducted between India and which country? Right answer is option A, USA. In May 2025, India has overtaken which country to become the fourth largest economy in the world? Right answer is option B, Japan. Which Indian American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Right answer is option C, Chandrika Tandon. The World Food Prize 2025 has been given to Dr. Beringela Hungria. She belongs to which country? Right answer is option D, Brazil. Who has been appointed as a private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Right answer is option A, Nidhi Tiwari. Which medal has Neeraj Chopra won in the Diamond League Final 2025? Right answer is option B, silver medal. India's first cheetah safari has been launched in which national park? Right answer is option A, Kuno National Park, Madhya Pradesh. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Thailand. Which film has won the award for the Best Picture at the 97th Academy Awards 2025? Right answer is option D, Anora. Who were honored with the Nobel Prize in Physics 2025? Right answer is option D, all of the above, John Clarke, Mitchell H. Devoret and John M. Martinez. India has won ICC Champions Trophy 2025 by defeating which country? Right answer is option C, New Zealand. What is India's rank in the 2025 Economic Freedom Index? Right answer is option C, 128th rank. Which country has become the 19th state member of the International Union for Conservation of Nature? Right answer is option A, Tuvalu. Vinod Kumar Shukla, who won the 59th Gyanpith Award, belongs to which state? Right answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. Which state government has declared a new wildlife sanctuary named Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Abhyaran? Right answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Who authored the book titled Indira Gandhi and the Years That Transformed India? Right answer is option B, Srinath Raghavan, which has become the first European country to withdraw from the International Criminal Court. Right answer is option D, Hungary. Where is world's first CO2 to methanol plant inaugurated? Right answer is option A, Vindhyachal, Madhya Pradesh. In which state is India's first bamboo-based refinery being set up? Right answer is option A, Numaligarh, Assam. Who has become the first Indian to win the title of Miss Globe International 2025? Right answer is option B, Anuradha Garg. Who won the medal tally of the Khelo India Beach Games 2025? Right answer is option D, Manipur, which has become country's first ATM train. Right answer is option A, Panchvati Express. Who was the chief guest of 76th Republic Day 2025? Right answer is option C, Prabowo Subianto, the President of Indonesia. Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025? Right answer is option B, Masaki Kashiwara. Which country has been selected to host the 8th edition of the Commonwealth Youth Games in 2027? Right answer is option D, Malta. Who won the prestigious Food Planet Prize 2025 for its innovative green fertilizer technology? Right answer is option A, Nitrocapt, Sweden. How many medals did India win in the World Boxing Cup 2025 held in Kazakhstan? Right answer is option C, 11 medals. Who will be awarded the 34th Saraswati Samman in 2025? Right answer is option B, Bhadresh Das Swami. In 2025, which city was declared as India's cleanest city for the 8th time? Right answer is option D, Indore. India's largest international cruise terminal has been launched in which city? Right answer is option A, Mumbai. What is India's rank in the Global Firepower Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 4th rank. Which institution proposed the development of the world's smallest semiconductor chip in 2025? Right answer is option B, IISc Bangalore. Where was the 2025 World Hydrogen Summit held? Right answer is option D, Rotterdam, Netherlands. Who has become the president of the Badminton World Federation? Right answer is option A, Khonying Petama. Who assumed charge as the 35th Director General of National Cadet Corps? Right answer is option B, Lieutenant General Virendra Vats. Which country topped the medal tally at the Asian Athletics Championships 2025? Right answer is option B, China. Where was the 11th World Green Economy Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option A, Dubai, UAE. The world's first 3D printed railway station has been built by which country? Right answer is option A, Japan. What is India's rank in the 2025 Sustainable Development Goals Index? Right answer is option C, 99th rank. Salkhan Fossil Park has been included in the tentative list of UNESCO's World Heritage Site. It is located in which state? Right answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Which country hosted the 51st G7 summit in 2025? Right answer is option D, Canada. What was India's rank in medal tally of the 2025 World Para Athletics Championships? Right answer is option D, 10th rank. Which team has won the 18th edition of the Indian Premier League? Right answer is option C, Royal Challengers Bangalore. On which date National Space Day 2025 is celebrated? Right answer is option B, 23rd August. What is the name of the scheme launched to redevelop railway stations across India? Right answer is option B, Amrit Bharat Station Scheme. Who became the 11th Indian cricketer to be inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame? Right answer is option A, MS Dhoni. In which state was India's first underwater museum and artificial coral reef launched in June 2025? Right answer is option C, Maharashtra. Where was first International Conference on Glaciers Preservation 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Dushanbe, Tajikistan. Which district has become India's first fully solar powered district in May 2025? Right answer is option D, Diu. Who has been reappointed as the chairman of Railway Board? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.